אוקיי. גורמי
ספיאשווילי.
אני מזניק אותך באנגלית. 3, 2, 1, good luck.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming to Jerusalem today. Welcome our dear judges, Mr. Moncrief and Mr. Thames. I want to offer you some original, holy Mediterranean water, just to cleanse up your throat a little bit before we start this challenge. Original Mediterranean water. I'm not marketing it, don't worry. It grows naturally in Israel.
I told them in online marketing people yesterday.
So, I'm going to introduce myself. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Gurami Sepiashvili from the Zalame Akbar cocktail bar. And I'm coming from Beersheba City. And I was born in the 90s. But today, we were given a challenge to modernize a classic cocktail from the 80s. And I was thinking to myself, what did we have at the 80s? Besides weird and funny looking haircuts, baggy jeans, and I can't ignore that subject, really long and weird cocktail names. We had a major revolution of technology. And also, we had all kinds of new music styles popping up from every corner. But the most crucial thing for me, ladies and gentlemen, was the publishment of the greenhouse theory, or as we know it, global warming. And the step that humanity took towards sustainability and ecological thinking. And of course, some of you might know that Diageo has a whole program called Reducing Our Environmental Damage. And they're using a list of brands that are using ecological processes in order to make their drinks sustainable. So the spirit that I chose for my drink will be Don Julio Blanco. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big applause for Don Julio Blanco. So, I didn't choose this tequila only because it's natural and citrusy aromas and beautiful agave taste. I chose this tequila because tequila represents for me a white spirit of nature. Because the production needs a natural process starting from the highlands, the Los Altos in Jalisco, where the agave can flourish from the natural clay soil. So we're going to put 60 mils of Don Julio Blanco. Dennis, you're smiling. I love it. You love it, I love you. Ladies and gentlemen, Dennis Day! 60 mils of that. Don Julio Blanco. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Gurami, as I said, and I'm a big fan of Amaros. And the next ingredient, I want to bring something for myself. Unfortunately, in Israel, we have a limited variety of Amaros. So what a curious bartender, such as Gurami, will do, hi, this is me, by the way, he will make his own Amaros. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, a limited edition of Gurami's Amaro. Don't worry, I got some for you, and for you, and for you. So, this is also a recycled Amaro, ladies and gentlemen. It's made out of sweet vermouth, grapefruits, dark chocolate, and a little bit of white spirit just to maintain it. I'm gonna put 20 mils of my beautiful Gurami Amaro in my cocktail. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, Gurami! And a little bit of Gurami to my cocktail. The inspiration for my next ingredient, ladies and gentlemen, came from last year's global finals in Mexico. The challenge name was the Mex Eco Challenge. It was a challenge about sustainability and green thinking. And my boss, ladies and gentlemen, David Kalinchev, made a compost syrup out of all the waste that we have in our bar. We think ecologically. We took all the broken spices, the fresh garnishes, and the leftovers and the waste that we have in our bar, and we incorporated them with some agave to complement the tequila. And for that, I'm going to put 20 mils. Yes. Of my compost recycled syrup. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, it's also must. And as you, ladies and gentlemen, and dear judges, already figured out, I'm making my own version for the classic cocktail from 1978, the classic Jungle Bell that was created in Kuala Lumpur at the Aviary Bar. So just like the original recipe says, let's put some citrus inside to balance the sweetness and to make my cocktail a beautiful masterpiece. In this case, some big fresh lime juice, ladies and gentlemen. And the last ingredient in my cocktail. As you already can see, I like to make homemade stuff. So I'm gonna put a guava and banana nectar. This nectar is gonna give me this tropical and refreshing notes and will complement also to my tequila. And also give us a beautiful tropical scent when you're feeling that you're sitting on the beach in Mexico or in some other tropical place, I don't know, you name it. My favorite is Colombia, by the way.
Why?
I have good memories from there. I can't say much.
Where did you go? Where did you go?
I did a trip after my army in South America. So I started in Peru, went to Colombia, then to Panama, and then back home, ladies and gentlemen, to the lovely Israel that you are in right now. Let's ice it a little bit.
2 minutes.
Yes. In 2 minutes. A lot of time. Let's shake our beautiful masterpiece. Ladies and gentlemen, you are about to witness the most beautiful shake in the whole I tried to find a way to combine between the technology of the 24th century and the colorfulness of the 80s. So, first thing that I will need is my recycled asphalt clay made out of rubber, tires and shoes. We use it a lot in Israel for safety reasons in playgrounds. You can touch it and feel how it's soft. And ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, the iconical Converse All-Star shoes.
One minute.
1 minute is good. 1 minute is amazing. So, these glasses are also recycled from pottery cups. It's an Israeli entrepreneur did it. So now, let's strain my beautiful cocktail. Whoa! You can feel the desert. Beautiful! And now, let's top it off with crushed ice. Gentlemen, you can enjoy.
Yes.
And recycled banana.
Oh yes.
And of course, some chocolate and aromatic bitters, just for the sense. And this cocktail, ladies and gentlemen, is the never-ending recycled banana accident.